Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't recorded for a long time. I've been doing some other stuff like, over the summer I've been building a small, or a decently sized clone army. I have an ATTE, 4 87 cannons, a Republic fighter tank, and this many clones. Some 501st, some 212, and 187th, and some heavy clones. Fix that, and I have Mace Windu and this clone. My brother gave to me. Older brother gave to me. It's a pretty cool clone. Put it right there. Yeah. So let's open these Woe Worlds toys. I got them at the mall. I have a bunch of them. I have a bunch of them that I haven't opened for videos. So yeah, let's go. Open these guys the way up. And alright. Okay. One twisty thingy off. Okay, we have this car. No, we gotta get the character out. The guy. Alright, we have this explorer guy. It's pretty cool. Okay, cut those. Okay, we got that. Got this dinosaur. Looks pretty cool. And we have this car. Put the guy inside the car. Probably fit another guy in the back. Cool car. I got this, I believe, for $20 at this toy store at it's a pretty cool store. They got a lot of anime stuff. I've got a few. I got a few of my Star Wars 501st battle packs from there. It's a pretty cool store. Yeah, I have a lot of my anime figures from there too. Like, it's a pretty cool store. Like all the WoW World toys that I've got that I'll be reviewing is all from that one store. I'm thinking about getting some Star Wars figures. Like, comment down below if you want me to like do that for a video. Some of them for a video. Like, there's a Star Killer one from one of the. Oh, dang it! My worst enemy. Screws. Okay, I'm just gonna have to rip the package around and just show it to you because I don't have a screwdriver. I hate when they do this. Alright, so here are those two dinosaurs. My lighting's a little bad, but yeah. There's those two dinosaurs. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Like, subscribe, and having it, and this dinosaur is signing off.